Happy full moon rising. Hi, beautiful souls. It's like 5 a.m. and the moon was so beautiful and the sky is just starting to get lit. And I want to take you for a little walk to show you one of my favorite places. I live in a bird sanctuary. So you're about to hear and hopefully see all the magic that I get to live with. I drove across Canada and kept driving until I felt like I was home. And this was it, because there's like 100 lakes. And what I loved was that I was like, I could go and have my own lake, like be around nobody except for nature and the creator. I love it. Check it out. Okay. I'm gonna try and show you. Okay, let's see. Well, I can't see them necessarily. There's a few. But you can hear them. Nature is so incredible, and it really, really, really can help you if you get into it. Connect with all that is righteous. If you think about it, no man made any of this. And you know what? As we are all rising and shining, as we are all rising and shining, I hope you're questioning everything, because it's time to do that. It's time to question what choices you made along the way and why. Is it because someone said? Because you were told to? Pretty much. That's all of our story. But we're ready. We're ready for change. Okay. I'm walking through a trail. I want to take you to the other side of this area where all the birds are. Here we go. There's some ducks. Let me see if I can capture them better. This is magic. When I talk about magic, this is what I'm talking about. And you could feel it when you get into it. Oh, what a beautiful time. What a beautiful time to be on this planet, as we are all experiencing a shape-shifting. Not only does the full moon shape-shifting everything, the solar eclipse did that. There's so much happening. There's so much more than meets the eye. But this spiritual warfare that's happening They were hoping that for the last 60 years, all of the classical conditioning they've done to try and make us forget was gonna dupe us, was gonna make us stay stuck. And some may, and that's okay. If you're happy doing what you're doing, it's all that matters. Wow. But if not, question everything. And feel free to leave a comment, leave a question. If there's something that you're going through, you're not alone. Together we rise. We're all on this journey together. Subscribe. Much love and light.